Hi, I'm Brian with the product team here at Network Solutions, and I'm here to show you how to add and edit text to your website using our AI Website Builder. All right, so here we are within the editor of the AI Website Builder. And now we're going to walk through what you need to do to add, edit, and modify text within your website. So first off, really any text that you see on the page is easily editable just by double-clicking into it. So if I want to come in here and say, hey, it's not New England, it is Boston's seafood at its best. It's as simple as double-clicking in there, adding and removing and typing whatever text you want on the screen. We also give you a lot of really easy controls to modify the text itself, to add bold, italics, and underlines, strike through, set what kind of header or heading it is within the site, as well as adding links, font size, font type. Your website has a default set of fonts, but if you want to deviate from that for a specific text box, you have the ability to do that. Color as well, and then if you've gone and you made a bunch of changes and you want to reset it, we give you the ability to really easily clear the format on that text as well. Scrolling down a little bit, also have the ability to really easily modify the location of any text box on the screen. So by purely clicking and dragging it around, you can place this text wherever you want to within your page, up here, or even layer it on top of imagery if that's ultimately what you want to do with that text. I'm going to move this back here just because I like it better there. Probably my favorite feature when it comes to editing text within the AI Website Builder is that AI component. So say I wanted something a little bit longer, something really describing, what a great seafood eating experience it is, eating at my restaurant. I can come in here, type or click on this AI writer box, and then it gives me the ability to describe the content that I want to be generated as a good starting point to build out the text on my site. So I'm just going to say, describe a wonderful seafood eating experience on a beachside restaurant. And if I click write my idea, then it will actually fill that text box with generated text based on that prompt. Take it, leave it, modify it, but I found it to be incredibly useful to use that as a starting point for text and copy that I'm writing as part of my website. Hopefully that showed you how easy it is to add and edit text using our AI Website Builder. If you have any other questions, feel free to add them as a comment below. And if this was useful, please like this video so that we know what type of content is actually valuable to you. See you next time.